Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new to this channel, I welcome you and I thank you for viewing this channel. I just want to stop by and share some information that I think is very important for all of my PCOS sisters out there who are in the process of making changes to their lifestyle, changes in terms of health, changes in terms of what they put into their body, changes in terms of making changes in general for their health. So what I want to come by and share with you guys is that I have been looking into reasons why women have hormonal issues, PCOS, what causes PCOS, and in women. And I know a lot of us are facing really serious challenges with our body, with this PCOS journey among a lot of us. No matter your race or where you're from, it's a journey that a lot of us are on right now. For those of you who watched my previous video that I talked about, you will know that me and my daughter are actually in a journey of making changes in how we do things, what we eat, what we put on our body and stuff like that. So I was very curious and I decided to look up and Google just to see what I found, what information is there, and I found out that there is Parabens, if I pronounce it correctly, and Parabens is like it's something that's in every product, especially cosmetic products. And what it does, it extends the shelf life of the product. So most products have it in, even though food product have it in. So the information that I gather, I will put a link in the description box for you to see if you want further information and find out more about it. I cannot really elaborate too much on it because I'm not in the medical field and I don't really know, but based on what information I gather, I just want to stop by and share with you guys that you should be very careful of what you use in terms of your skin product, your facial product, your hair product, product that you use on a daily basis. For example, your cream, your facial cream, your body lotion, your hair lotion, all these things that we use on a regular basis to beautify ourselves can be a huge contributor to the PCOS in our body. In terms, when I say PCOS, can be a huge contributor to our hormones changes, because based on the information we all know it's because of the changes in our hormones why we face this PCOS problem. And I think it's very important that my PCOS family know that they are be very careful of internally and externally what they use on their body. So and I'll be sharing with you a skin product that I came across that I think is really worthwhile spending your money for. I know it's not a lot in the tube, but it is effective. And it's a natural plant, it's a plant-based, it's a stem cell product. And for stem cell product, meaning that it's a plant-based product. I came across the product, whenever I go to the store, I always now conscious of what's in the product that I use. I changed all of the shampoo and conditioner product that I was using, and I'm not going to name what they are because they are generic product that everybody would buy from Shoppers Drug Mart, from Walmart and stuff like that. But I came across this product and I fall in love with it, and I'm using it, and also my daughter is using it. This product is not on every shelf. It's not on every shelf, and you won't find it in every store. However, because I always go looking for good products, so I shop at Marshalls and Winners a lot in terms of my product. So I came across the Andalou product. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but I also will be putting a picture of what it is down below. Let me just say this. I'm not getting paid or anything to talk about anybody's product. I am not. I'm not promoting anybody's product. So I just want to make that clear. But I'm just sharing with you product that I use, and I find that it's really, really good on the skin, and product that I know does not have anything like paraben in it. It is basically plant-based, which we need for our body, because as I've learned that when we use product with paraben in it, it actually affects our hormones. It mimics our hormones, and it changes things in our body. And once the hormones are mimicked, our whole body is confused. It's like a domino effect. One thing is not working, and everything just falls down. So we have to be mindful of that and be very careful of that. So I'll be showing you this product, so get out with you, and I hope that this information will be, valuable to you. Again, I will link the link that you can read more on what paraben does to the hormones. I will link it in the description box below, and you can take a look at it and decide, if it's worthwhile reading or worthwhile knowing about. So you can go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to stop by and say. And let me show you. I'm going to show you the product that I use. So some of the product that I am currently using on my skin, and I find that it is really, really good. It's all natural. Most of them having, you can read the ingredients in them. Like most of them having shea butter, cocoa butter, Moroccan oil, and stuff like that. This one, they have, Andalou have different flavor in their product, in their skin cream and their face cream and stuff like that. They have different flavor. For example, they have this one that have, this one is a body butter, and it have shea butter in it. It have argan oil, cocoa butter, superfruit, and vanilla. Thyme ginger. They have the body butter. They have the mandarin vanilla. They have like different flavor. It's up to you, but for me, this is the best one I have tried so far. This was my favorite one, but now this is my daughter's favorite, and this is my favorite. This one is more shea, but this one is very thick. This one it's thick but not extremely thick, but it makes my skin feel really good. So I love the product. I know this product is somewhere out of Australia, but I get my product at Winners, and normally, because you don't see it in the store that often, whenever I go to Winners, and I go to Winners will have like 3 or 4, I purchase them all, because it's me and my daughter that use it. I know that's greedy, leave one for somebody else, but I purchase it all because it's 2 of us that use it, myself and my daughter. So if you want to try it, you can probably look up for it online and see if you want to try it. It doesn't contain a lot, and the prices are very reasonable. But I know it doesn't contain a lot, but it is what it is. It's more natural. It makes the body feel good. There's no paraben in it, and it's good for the body. So I just want to let you know. So I just want to let you know that these are some of the products that you can actually try, and also be mindful of your hair product that you're using. I also use the shampoo and conditioner, and that's somewhere in my bathroom. I should have brought it before I start the video. I use the shampoo and conditioner also. I no longer use a lot of the black hair product, and because most of them have paraben in it, especially the shampoo and the conditioner, unless it is natural. I try a few natural things from a few people, which I think it's good also. But with the Andalou, if I'm pronouncing it right, Andalou, Andalou. 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 Yeah. Yes. So I think they have a really good line, including their face cream and stuff like that. You can check it out and maybe put it on your list as things for your body, things you can use that can help not destroying your hormones pattern, but to make changes and see what can happen. And if you like this video, please share or give a thumbs up, or leave a comment in the description box. For now, please give this video a thumbs up and a like, and please leave any question or any comment that you have in the description box, and I'll be happy to answer any question that you put. Thank you for watching this video so much. Fabulous people, thank you so much. And I know the PCOS journey is a journey for not only black women, but for all women of color, all race. PCOS can just happen, and as we know, it's a huge thing that going on among women now, black, white, pink, no matter where you're from. It's a huge issue that we are facing right now. So be very careful with the things that you use on your skin, that you put on your body, that you intake, because we know our skin, it goes through our skin, and it causes all kind of thing in our body not to function in a normal way. So be very careful of what you will be using on your skin. Be very careful of the product that you choose to use. Just be very careful about it. Be mindful of what you put in. Like me and my daughter, we are actually trying our best to eat more plant-based food and healthier choices. And I would encourage you to do that also. So, stay blessed. Like this video and subscribe to our channel and help us to grow as we grow with you. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye.